cutie little darling, my heart is starting to beat a